So this was another hot tub removal that we did out in the city of Powder Springs, Georgia. And this hot tub was on the customer's back deck. And we just started with taking the panels off with the drill, and we used a Sawzall to cut the hot tub up into smaller, more manageable pieces so that we could get it off of the back deck. Since we were cutting up fiberglass, I made sure to wear a mask and to also put on this suit, because when that fiberglass gets on you, it's real itchy and you don't want to be breathing that stuff in. Now, this customer had reached out to me a few days prior. He found me online and gave me a call, told me he had a hot tub, and I told him I could come out and give him a free in-person quote. So we set up a time for me to come out, and when I arrived, he explained to me that when they had it installed, they had to use a crane to lift it up over the house and get it onto his back porch. Now, this was over 10 years ago when the customer originally had this thing installed, and at that time he told me that it cost thousands of dollars to have it brought in with the crane. So I can only imagine how much it would cost nowadays to have it removed with a crane. So he called us, and he had actually called 2 other companies to come out and give him a quote, and he chose us to get the job done for him. So we just ended up cutting the hot tub up into about 4 or 5 smaller, more manageable pieces. And this hot tub right here was a little bit lighter than the other hot tubs that I've done in the past. This one didn't have a wooden casing built with 2x4s. This one just had a little plastic cover at the bottom, and that just made the whole thing a little bit lighter for us. Carried down the steps and back up the side of the house and put everything on the truck. And as you can see, we got everything cleaned up for the customer, up top and the debris that fell down bottom. But if you need any junk removal, give us a call, 800-488-5025.